Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable product update email notifications on Webull account. So first you're going to go to the Webull app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then next we're going to click on general. Then under general, you're going to find promotion notifications. You're going to click on it. So as you can see, product update email is not turned off. So we're going to turn it on. So anything related to your product updates will be sent as a notification to your account. So that's the importance of this setting. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such as food trading and cryptocurrency app. So make sure you download it. Make sure you also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.